Ladies and gentlemen, Sam Weerawarna from Yes Real Estate. Now before I go on, it's a known fact that properties that are closer to shops, public transport and local schools are in high demand. But that's not the only factor here at number 15 Tristania Street in Doveton. You've got a 3-bed 1-bath property located on approximately 560 square meters of land. More importantly, you've got a huge front yard, a long driveway that can park up to 6 cars, and a humongous backyard to top it off. Come with me, I'll show you the property. Attention first home buyers, builders, developers and investors. Don't miss this golden opportunity. I definitely think this place is great for you to move in. There's a big backyard for outdoor lifestyle, for a summer barbecue, for kids, for pets, or you can rent it out for a higher yield. But you can also change this configuration and subdivide the block, giving you room to build on the back to get a great rental income. Now, all this is subject to council approval. Or demolish it and start again. So many opportunities and all with win-win outcomes. Currently rented out to our long-term fantastic tenants, it has the potential to get up to $500 per week in rent. So it's an oasis for investors. You know, you can just buy and sit on land and it can only go up in value in the future. But be quick. Give me a call on 048 0101 966 and let's discuss.